Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the find and search functions in Excel. Okay, these two functions we are going to learn today. The syntax of find function is that find, then into bracket find text means which text you want to find. You have to enter that text, then comma. After that, within text from the complete text from which you want to find a particular text. That complete text you have to be mentioned. Then start num. This is the optional. You can mention the starting number from which you want to start the search. Okay, you want to find the given character. So that number you have to be mentioned in start num. Okay, so the use of find function is that it returns the starting position of one string within another string. Okay, so it will give the starting position of the string which we want to find in a given string. If it's fine, then it's okay, otherwise it will return the value. Okay, and please remember that find function is case sensitive. If uh, small letters means small, capital letters means capital. Okay, so let's see, we are going to see what is the meaning of case sensitive over here. So here we are going to take the example. So here text to find, we will mention whatever may be the text we want to find, we are going to mention that text in this cell. Then the complete string or complete text is given in this cell. Okay, so here is the example, is equal to, then we have to write down the formula find into the bracket the text which we want to find. So directly you can write down the text in double quotes, or here we are going to give the cell reference. Okay, this cell reference is given over here. Whatever maybe we are going to write here, that text is going to be find out from the given text. Okay, within text, so you can write down the complete text, but here we are going to give the respective location or the cell reference for a particular string. So here is the cell reference. So I'm going to press the close bracket. It's is equal to, by default it returns once. Now here we want to find the one symbol or one text, ONE. Okay, so I'm going to press enter. Now you have seen that in example one is going to be changed, so it's a 34. So this one we are going to find from the string, and this one is start from the 34th index location in the string. That's why it's returned the 34. Now same one I'm going to mention with small letters. Okay, ONE. Let's see what it will return. It will return hash value, means this one has not be found in a given string. Okay, it's called the case sensitive. Okay, now check, I'm going to mention again ONE. It will return 34. Now I'm going to find out the the. Okay, so it will return the ninth location. Okay, so it will be easy, very easy. If you can mention all these things in a formula, so it will be difficult to change the formula every time. So we have mentioning the cell references. Similarly, the next function is search function. Search function syntax is similar to the find function. So it returns the number of characters at which specific character or text string is find, but it is not case sensitive. The basic difference in both the functions is that find is a case sensitive and search is not a case sensitive. Okay, so here we are going to apply the search formula. So we are going to see the example over here. is equal to search into the bracket find text. For find text, we are again mentioning this cell reference. Okay, whatever may be the text you want to find, just you have to mention or write the text into the cell and comma within text. So here this text we are going to pass over here, then bracket close. Now let's see, by default it returns 1. Now if we want to find this no, returns the number of characters. Okay, so from the number of characters, so no is there, that we want to find, so I am mentioning no. So it returns the 30th position. Okay, when it starts from 30th position. Now I'm going to change that capital No to the small no. Okay, no. Now see the result, whether this search is going to find it out or not. So search is able to find it out because search is not the case sensitive, where find is the case sensitive. Okay, now text is mentioned in a given string, so I'm going to find out the text in small letters. All the letters in the given strings are capital. So let's see. So it returns the 56th position of this text. Okay, means it's working fine. Now I'm going to uh, change the uh, case of the letter, that is the uppercase T E X T. Still it's working fine. So this is the basic use of find and search function in Excel. I hope you have understand the basic functions of find and search. Please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.